Hi, I'm Sarah McMahon. I'm a physician assistant here at Gambhir Cosmetic Medicine. I graduated from Thomas Jefferson University in Philadelphia and started working at a neuro spine surgical practice in Marlton, New Jersey. Simultaneously, I began doing injectables part-time where I would do in-home injections and events. I loved it so much that I decided to go full-time with it and join the Gambhir team. I've been so happy ever since I've been here. I really love that they foster such great patient relationships. They have a really nice natural aesthetic eye. To keep up to date with the latest aesthetic trends, I'm not actually on social media myself, so I really rely on the virtual and in-person trainings through Allergan, and I also try to stay up to date with research articles and any medical journals. I love aesthetics because I really think it helps people build confidence. Just looking good and feeling your best really helps raise your self-esteem. Things that I do in my life that relate to aesthetics would be centered around fitness and nutrition. I actually am a fitness instructor part-time as well, and I've taken some nutrition courses and I have some clients with that. And I think it really just goes hand in hand with looking good and feeling your best. I really look forward to seeing you all at the Philly office. Bye!